Hello everyone, and welcome to my channel, SmartAssistant. Do you want to end calls on your Samsung Galaxy phone more quickly and easily? In this tutorial, I'll show you how to enable a feature that allows you to end calls by pressing the side button. This function is very useful and makes using your phone much more convenient. Before we get started, if you find this tutorial helpful, be sure to like the video and subscribe to my channel to stay updated with all the latest tips and tricks. Let's get started. The first thing you need to do is open the phone app on your device. Once you're in the app, tap on the three dots in the top right corner, which will open a menu with options. From the menu that appears, select Settings. Once you've done that, a settings page for your phone will open. On this page, find the option for answering and ending calls and tap on it to open a page with additional options. On that page, you will see several options. Look for the option labeled Press Side Button to end calls and toggle the switch next to it to enable it. After enabling this option, you will be able to end calls quickly and easily by pressing the side button on your phone. This can be particularly useful in situations where you cannot easily use the screen. Test this feature by starting a call and ending it by pressing the side button to make sure everything works as expected. And that's all for this video on enabling the option to end calls by pressing the side button. Thank you so much for watching, friends, and I'll see you very soon in my next video.